Hey, if you wonder how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, so first of all you have to open the box, and when you open it you can actually find the charger just right here. So you have to take it out from this one, take it from this box, and that's how it looks. So this end we have to actually plug into the charger. If you don't have this charger, you can also plug it straight to your phone, to the USB-C port, and you can actually put this gold pins into this place. So it looks like this. Let me show you. There we go. And now we can actually find the information that the device is charging. It's 50% right now, so it will actually take for like 1 hour to fully charge it. And of course this cable we can also plug into any USB-C input, like for example into your game console, into your PC, into your power bank, or any other charging brick. That's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.